We'll guide you through how to use the dedicated GPU for Minecraft. So what we need to do is go and open up Task Manager. I'll just go make Minecraft smaller. So come to the bottom, click on search and go and type in Task Manager like so. In here, we need to go and locate the process which Minecraft is using. It's probably going to be called OpenJDK. Go and right click on it and you need to find the option Open File Location. Go to the top here and click on the file path and right click and press copy. Then come to the bottom and click on search again, and you want to go and type in graphics settings like so. What you then need to do is go and select desktop app in add an app and click on browse. Go to the file path at the top and click on it and press back. Then you can right click and you can go and press paste and press enter. You want to go and find Java W, select it and click add, and there it is. You can then go and click on options and you can select high performance. If you're using Minecraft Bedrock, you can click on it, click options and select high performance as well.